Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is Nutan Kumar and I hope everyone doing great. So in today's video I come up with some exciting cool Udemy courses for free of cost. Just you need to choose your course and click on enroll button, that's it. So before going in detail, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications regarding government and private jobs and internships and free courses and everything. If you don't want to miss out these benefits, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started with the courses. So Udemy offering many courses today with free of cost. So let's get started with first course. Complete data science with Python step by step. 22 hours are left at this price. This course includes 5 hours on-demand video, downloadable resources are available, and certificate will be provided. So you'll be learning all the concepts with respect to Python. Just go through this once. Next course is Mac Terminal. This is demanded course, only one day left at this price. 35 minutes on demand video with certificate will be available. You will be learning all Mac Terminal's main menu and preferences. Next course is 3.js. 1 hour on demand video with full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. This is the new course, only one day left at this price. And next course is AWS Cloud Fundamentals for System Administration. So only one day left of this course. This is most demand course with 2 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. You will be learning all Amazon Web Services like IAM, EC2, Lambda, CloudFront, Billing, S3, EC2, and VPC, everything. And next course is Oracle 11G12C Database Administration. 1 hour left at this price and 8 hours on-demand video with downloadable resources available. Full lifetime access with certificate will be provided and you will be learning these topics. Just go and grab it. And next one is we learn Visual Studio Code. Only one day left to expire. This course includes 3.5 hours on-demand video with downloadable resources with certificate will be provided. And you'll be learning how to download Visual Studio installation process, themes, keyboards, marketplace navigations, task snippets, command lines, accessibility, and everything. Next is developer tools. Only one day left is its price. This course includes 1.5 hours on-demand video with full lifetime access. With certificates will be provided. You'll be learning Chrome Dev tools, Polymer, PageSpeed module, Lighthouse, Workbox, and Angular 2. And next course is Python and machine learning for financials. And this course is very helpful for MBA students. Only one day left is price. This course includes 23 hours on-demand video, 18 articles with 15 downloadable resources are available, and certificate will be provided. These are the topics they are going to cover through this entire course. And next one is learn HTML from beginner to advanced level. 3 hours on-demand video, 8 downloadable resources are available for lifetime access. Certificate of completion will be provided, and it is only one day left of this price. You'll be learning how to like opportunity to test your knowledge about HTML with a quiz and master HTML for web and app development from beginner to advanced level. At the end of the course, you'll be able to create HTML5 website on your own. That's good. And next one is Linux for cloud and DevOps engineers. This course is not available for free but available for discount. 490. One day left at this price. 4 hours on-demand video. Download process available. Certificate of completion will be provided. You will be learning regular talks on Linux environment and learn most of the commands which needs for cloud and apps journey. Next one is Adobe Lightroom Master class from beginner to expert level. 8 hours on demand video with one downloadable resources and certificate will be provided, and you'll be learning these things. You will get how to sort, filter, organize, and edit photos like pro in the comprehensive guide to Adobe Lightroom. Everything. Next one is Web Development Masterclass from complete certification course from beginner to advanced level. 2 days left at its price. 20.5 hours on demand video with downloadable resources are available. Certificate of completion will be provided for lifetime access. So these are the topics you're going to learn through this entire course. Next one is Android Certificate Mobile Development course. 4 practice tests will be there. Full lifetime access and you'll get certificate too. Next one is front-end development, web development complete guide from step by step. 13.5 hours on demand video for full lifetime access. Certificate of completion will be provided 2 days after this price. You will learn complete front end web development from scratch. You will learn how to build Bootstrap for web application. You will learn complete JavaScript plus ECMS script. ES6 from scratch. You will learn to build modern websites, Angular and React.js and everything. Responsive web design build RWD websites for live projects. This course includes 8 hours on-demand video with downloadable resources. Full lifetime access with certificate will be provided. And build complete responsive websites from scratch with HTML5 and CSS3. Build educational website theme with Bootstrap version 5. Build 3 live projects with HTML5, CSS3 and Bootstrap verified downloadable project files. Everything. And next one is PHP MySQL course. Complete guide. You'll be learning how to. You'll be learning complete PHP and MySQL. You'll learn to build CRUD based projects. You will learn how to host your application on online. Only 2 days after this price, 6.0 hours on demand video for lifetime access with certificate of completion will be provided. Next one is React and Angular complete guide from for beginners step by step. 2.4 hours on demand video full lifetime access. Certificate of completion will be provided. You will learn complete React JS and with Angular step by step. You will learn able to build Angular based web apps. You will learn create scratch pad with React JS. You will learn to create reactive web applications from scratch. You will learn how to use Bootstrap and jQuery in Angular apps. And next one is WordPress course, the complete guide, step by step, 1 hour on demand video. Certificate of completion will be provided with full time access. 2 days left at this price. You'll be learning these topics. And next one is Django 3 course, build Python based web app step by step. Only 2 days left at this price. This course includes 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access. The certificate of completion will be provided. You'll be learning Django 3, create custom app in Django, create models, migrations, assign object data, work with templates in Django, assign styles in Django, everything, and set up projects for Django. Next one is a complete guide on how to build an IP database using Asana. Only 1 day left at this price, 1.5 hours on demand video and downloadable resources are available. Assignments will be there, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion will be provided. Azure Cloud Security with Checkpoint Firewall. The most demanded video, only 2 days left at this price. This course includes 3 hours on demand video with full lifetime access and course completion certificate will be provided. This is new course and this course is designed for infrastructure and applications team who deals with Azure Cloud in their day-to-day life. This is a hands-on course and in this course students will learn many things. Base and requirement this course assumes that you have basic knowledge of Azure networking and checkpoint firewall. Need some basics about Azure networking. And next one is Java interview preparation course. Only 2 days left at this price. This course includes 16.5 hours on-demand video and 132 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, and certificate of completion will be provided. So this is a good course, and if you're looking for any Java developer jobs, go and try this. Next one is complete Google Classroom course, teaching Google Classroom. This good course, but they are offering for discount. This course price will be 490. Only 1 day left at this price. 7 hours on-demand video with full lifetime access and certificate of completion will be provided. Personal presentation training. So only 2 days left at this price. 1.5 hours on-demand video, downloadable resources available, articles, lifetime access with certificate. You'll be able to learn speaking like a world class communicator, delivering memorable presentations, creating vivid riveting presentations. Next one is Python for everybody. 5 domain specialization. Only 2 day left at this price. 41.5 hours on demand video, 11 downloadable resources, 7 coding exercises. Very good. Full lifetime access and certificate of completion will be provided. Next course is machine learning and deep learning in Python and R. 2 days left at this price. This course includes 35 hours on demand video, theoreticals, full lifetime access, and certificate of course completion will be provided. We'll be learning these topics. Please go through this once. The next one is Business Analytics course 2020. 2 days left at this price. 8 hours on demand video with one article. Full lifetime access. Course completion will be provided. Course completion certificate will be provided. SQL Masterclass SQL for Data Analytics. 2 days left at this price. 7.5 hours on demand video and 60 downloadable resources. One practice test. Full lifetime access and assignments will be there. Certificate of course completion will be provided. So these are the few courses Udemy offering for free as of now. Just go and grab it. So links are available in the description box. Please do check it out. So if you like this video, please do like, share, and more importantly, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please comment in comment section. We will definitely try to answer. Thank you. Thank you all.